Hello everyone. Let's look into the visa section of Bonton holidays. Here, you'll be able to proceed with e-visas for the listed countries. You'll get a list of destinations, select your travel date. The visa duration will be selected automatically, or you can choose from multiple options if available, such as for the UAE. Then, select the number of travelers and start application. You'll be shown the list of required documents and any special notes. Fill in the traveler details, upload the required documents, and proceed with the payment. To check the status of your visa inquiry, click on the visa icon again and scroll down. Here, you'll see the status of your inquiry, whether it is pending, in process, completed, or rejected. To get your completed visa copy, kindly visit our video on My Bookings. Thanks for watching. We're coming up next with a video on insurance. Stay tuned.